Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, as a profil pelajar Pancasila, we have to pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Okay. Before I wrap, please lead your friend to pray.
Attention, please. Let's pray. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabbal wa bil islami dina wa bil muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahman. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Okay, 10 minutes. Oh ya, finish ya. Okay, thank you. After this, Miss Hera will check your presence for today. Okay, any absent today?
Yes.
Who is who? Rehan. What happened with him?
See.
Sick. Only Rehan? Oh, anyone else?
Yes.
Oh,
Selamat.
what happened with him?
See.
Sick. Okay, thank you. After this, before we go to our material, Miss Hera will give you a perception about class material. What we learned yesterday. Did you remember what we learned yesterday? Remember what we learned yesterday? Yes?
Yes.
What about? Procedure. Today we will still learn about procedure. Okay, Miss Hera will give you a question. Do you know about the generic structure of procedure text? Who knows? Raise your hand. The generic structure of procedure text. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The procedure text have three generic structure. The first one is. I'm. Read your book. The first one is I'm. And then materials. The third step. Okay, three. The three is aim or goal. Usually in the title. Okay, in the title. For example, how to make a sandwich. Okay, and then the materials. Materials is usually in ingredients atau bahan like sugar. Dan apa lagi? Sugar next. Sugar, and then salt, corn, ice. Yeah, that we call it ingredients. And then the last one is steps. Step is consist of the process from the first step till the last step. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you ready for today? You have to demonstrate about the receipt or about the procedure text. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. A perception of the last material. The first one is the generic structure. Tadi aim atau goal, materials, and then the third is step. Language feature of procedure text. Apa language feature-nya kemarin? The first one, use action verb. Read together, the action verb. Then, then, terus, is, and etc. 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 Atau kalau bahasa Indonesianya dan lain, etc. atau etc. Second, the sequence time. Read together the sequence time. First, second, finally, and the last one is simple present tense. We use simple present tense means procedure Procedure text. Okay. The next is the objective of learning atau tujuan pembelajaran. The objective of learning is same as our first meeting. The first one is students are able to identify simple and structured sentence in the text procedure for writing research independently and in groups. Jadi kalian bisa membuat teks secara mandiri. And the second, students are able to demonstrate vocabulary and simple sentence structures in the procedural text about making research independently or in group. You can demonstrate that relate with what will to do from this lesson today. You will demonstrate procedure text. Okay. Before we talk about this picture, we have to ice breaking, ya. Ice breakingnya we will say rangko rambe ya. You have to clap your hand, ya. Clap your hand, and then you have to sing together rangko rambe ya. Okay.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Everyone stand up. Okay. Okay, you have to clap your hand, okay? Let's start. instant noodle by yourself, okay? And then when the first time you will make it, what will you do first? Apa? Ketika kamu buatnya, pertama kali dilakukan apa? Okay, in English, boil the water. Okay, the first thing that we do when we want to make instant noodle is boil the water. Okay, now yesterday Miss Dera gave you a assignment or formative test. Okay, now open the LKPG or the formative test. Okay, are you ready to open it? Open, and then you have to do by yourself, yeah? Okay, everyone, you have to write down your answer in the paper. Okay, are you ready? Okay, 10 minutes to finish your work. 10 minutes. Ada di sini Indra, jangan. Ya, 8. Let's do the homework. 10 minutes ya, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Any lights? Yeah. Okay, for the assessment today, it's still like yesterday. The first one is knowledge assessment. Yeah, for your test formative, and the second is the attitude assessment. The third is the speaking skill when you demonstrate in the front of the class. Okay? Finish? Finish? Okay. Finish? Yeah? Finish? Finish? Okay? Okay. When you demonstrate in the front of the class, your work, you should have to stick on the whiteboard like this. Okay? Stick to tempel nanti. Rusak ya? Finish? Finish. Finish? Good? Finish? Finish. Finish? Okay. Hari A. Oh, aku finish. Finish? Finish? Finish. Okay. Pizza group finish? Garnish with cucumber. Garnish with cucumber and celery. Yang mau siapa? Are you finished? Yes. Okay. If you finish, please Miss Hera to collect it. ANGKATAN, please Miss Hera to collect your friendship. Bantu untuk mengumpulkan punya teman. Stand up. Yang keras. Loudly. Just okay, guys? Ready. Okay, you can close.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, applause to Burger Group. Okay, the next one. Miss Ella will sing the wheels of the hand. Okay, you have to be ready. Okay. Let's guys. Okay. Let's guys. Let's go. Okay, guys. Pay attention to your bracket. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from primary school. We will demonstrate about how to make iced tea. Material needed: one hot water, two tea bag, 3 sugar, 4 ice cup. Step 1. Boil water. Put the boiling water into a glass. Use the tea bag in the glass.
Attention, please.
Put a spoonful of sugar into a glass.
Stir it well. Stir it, diaduk. Stir it well. Yeah, well. Next. the ice cream first. Stick back, you have to. From another group, you have to tear off your susu ya, atau milk ya. Ini tinggal tuang ke sini.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, langsung topik satu. Good job ya. Good job. Oke, next. Please Attention to your friend, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Susi Group. We will demonstrate how to make kedai cappuccino instant coffee.
Materialsnya, materials.
Kedai cappuccino. Hot water. Sugar.
Step.
That is one.
Attention to your friend, please. Masih dulu, oke? You have to tilt up with the first, ya. Ada yang bawa dulu. Langsung. You have to say, ice cappuccino is ready. Okay. Take your glass, show it to your friend. Take your glass, show to your friend. Okay.
Finally. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Okay, applause to your group. Next. Okay, give up group. Give up group. Okay. Okay, guys, you have to keep attention to your friend. Good one. Yeah. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends. My name is Yufayam Jandani. My name is Agnia Karnakarya.
opening.
Fresh milk. No. Glass. Bowl. Step. First, add fresh milk and condensed milk. Then milk stir well. Second, put the into the glass. Put the into chocolate jelly the glass.
But
Chocolate is ready. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good job from the donut group. Applause, you can get over your friends. Okay, the all of group. Attention please, attention please. Yeah, the all of group has done to be demonstrated in the front of the class. Yeah. You all are a good performers. You do a good job, yeah. All of you is awesome. But here, Miss Hera have to decide the best performer. Okay, Miss Hera will decide the best performance here, yeah. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. Miss Hera will decide the best performance. Okay. For not everybody, all of you is good, yeah. Awesome, incredible, but Miss Hera still have to choose one best performance. Okay, the best performance is from group who made our French fries. Okay, applause to group French fries. Group French fries are the best performance because they can completely talk about the prototype from the materials and then the steps, yeah, very clearly, okay. But all of you are awesome, yeah. But one day I believe that you will can make something, yeah. Attention, please. Yeah. Do you believe that one day you can be the best performers? Guys, do you believe that one day you will be the best performance in front of the class? Believe? Percaya? Percaya, pokoknya one day, suatu hari kamu pasti bisa menjadi penampil terbaik juga ya. You have to study hard, okay ya? After the performance, we will analyze about the problem for this presentation. Do you find difficult? Kesulitan?
No.
Do you find any difficult for this presentation?
No.
Yeah. So all of you have understand about how to make something. Yeah. One day you will make your own recipe. Kamu akan membuat resep sendiri. Ya. You will make your own recipe and then you will performance atau presentation again in front of the class. Okay? We will evaluate group by group. Okay? For the group 1, the first performance group donut. Okay, group donut. Anyone wants to comment about the group donut in Indonesia? It's okay. Comment about the group donut, ya.
Good job.
Apa?
Good job.
Okay, good job, ya. You have to comment in every group. The first is donut group. Anyone else wants to comment? Want to comment about the group donut? Good. Okay, next the group pizza.
Good.
Any comment for the group pizza? Good. Okay, but you still have to learn, yeah. Learn how to say vocabulary or the pronunciation pronunciation has to be right, okay? Okay. Next, the best performance. Group French fries. Any comment? Anyone? Okay, good job, yeah. The best performance, but one day you have to increase your ability to pronunciation, yeah, pronunciation. And then the group sushi. Yes, group sushi. Anyone wants to comment about group sushi? Good job. Well, you have to increase your teamwork, yeah. Next, the group kimbap. Okay, this is the second best performance, ya. The second. Berarti penampil terbaik kedua, but you still have to increase your pronunciation ability. Okay. And then the last group burger. How to make jasuke? Any comment? Oh, but okay. You have to speak loudly, ya. For everyone, our problem is you can't speak loudly. Kalian tidak bisa berbicara dengan keras, oke? Next time you have to be self-confident. You have to be confident, ya. You have to increase your pronunciation, okay? For the words today about the puzzle, I think that all of you have good job. You can finish every task in the vocab, yeah, from the puzzle, and then from the jumble sentence, and the last is from the text formative. You can finish it, okay? Good job, thank you. And then now Miss Hera will ask our student to make a review about our lesson today, okay? Anyone wants to? Yes, okay. But still confused, yeah? Okay, today you are able to demonstrate about the result of the text, but we still have problems that is difficult to speak loudly, to self-confidence, and to increase our pronunciation. Okay, good job, yeah? Are you happy today? Happy! Are you happy for our lesson today? Happy! Okay. Thank you for your attention today. Okay, you have to prepare for the next material. It's about home sweet home. Okay, and you have to learn about home sweet home for our next material. Okay, before we close our learning today, okay, we have to pray before we go home. Okay, before please lead your friend to pray.
Attention please. Let's pray.
Okay, thank you. Be careful. Okay, see you next time, and thank you for your performance today. All of you are good job. Applause to our class today. Say Alhamdulillah together. Okay, now you can go home. Yeah.